In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily auto-delete all messages on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, head over to Settings. Then scroll down until you find Messages, then get into it. And on Messages settings, scroll all the way down until you find Keep Messages. Once we get into Keep Messages settings, we'll be able to configure for how long it should keep messages, and we can basically set it to 30 days, 1 year, or forever. By default, it is set to forever. However, if you don't wanna keep all your old messages, you can just select 1 year or 30 days, like in my case. Once you select any of that options, all the messages that are older than this period of time will be automatically deleted. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.